3852 crown. What a 3852 is, the crown sits more upright, but your bedding will determine that. So when you set this in your on your saw, you'll be able to see that this is sitting flat on the bed, to the wall, and to the floor. Once you set your crown stops, every piece is just slap it in. You don't have to think about it. Without these, you'll see people out there, you know, tip yours, you get yourself all lined up, you cut it. If the next piece is there and the next piece is there, you're going to have just a little bit of an angle difference. So when you put them together, you're going to notice your joints off. So get them set right. There you go. Okay, that's the tools.
Love it.
As far as measuring, for this particular one, we're going to call this the edge of a wall. Push in, get your measurement. Every one of these, you know, y'all understand how to read a tape measure, I hope. Chris can give that class later. You'll get your measurement, and I need a pencil. Pencil?
We'll edit that out.
All right, so in this case,